Hello guys, thank you so much for joining me here. Patrick T is in the house, and today's video guys is a power tool review. This is the multi-tool of DeWALT's the DCS355 model. This is their latest XR 18 volt brushless. A very good design guys. It's just a basic design and a very friendly, users friendly as well. Out of the box guys, this is what you can get in your box. Of course, your power tools itself, and there is this accessories. This one's for the grinder. This has two blade and your lock mechanism, and of course your DeWALT quick guide manual. It doesn't come with a charger and the battery, unfortunately, but yeah, this is it guys. So we will just set this aside. Later we will do that testing what's on that kit. And yes guys, this handle is very compact. Again, the materials, the rubber and the plastics, it's all the same materials of all the DeWALT's wear tools, and even your knives and everything guys, the same materials. They are using a very compact, lightweight and a durable. This is design guys. It has this brushless here, by the way. This has no more carbon or brush. These are brushless release. Okay, this has lock mechanism. This is your press to power on, and it has this quick release and lock with a spring inside. All right, and that is your lead lights. This is where your battery goes. And yeah, that is the DeWALT's multi-tool skin. Is the DeWALT's blade for metal, and this DeWALT's blade for wood. Okay, well, let's try for the wood. It's very handy and friendly guys. Very, as again, okay, can put it like this one. Yeah, you can put it like this, and it's very easy guys. You can put like this one, yeah, or yeah, this is just like prick and lock, or this one, you know, or this one, like that. Okay, there's the two design guys. It depends upon your job. You can do sideways, yeah, and you can do the top, but easily guys, there's a top only, yeah, quick and release. All right, we will test it guys. We will test this wood. Of course, we will put our 5 amps DeWALT battery. Yeah, that is this one guys. Okay, you can lock it. Yeah, there is lock mechanism. Yeah, so you will be safe. Let's try it, guys. Let's see, we will cut these edges here. That's it. That's how you cut edges. That one. It's guys, it's the edges is cut, so that is for the wood. And yeah, thank you guys for joining me. I really like this multi-tools, and this one is the grinder, and there are a lot of choices, guys. This is really compact, friendly, and I like it. I really love it. Thank you guys for joining me here.